What's going on, guys? My bad. I felt right at home in this DVS. I gotta get you outside. I want to show you the layout first, and then I want to show you the walk around outside, and then I'll show you all the great details inside. Let's get out there so we can show you exactly what's going on. My name is Alvin, and this is the camping page for reviews, tips, tricks, journeys, all that great stuff. You want to hit the subscribe button because you want to see this review and you want to see more of these great reviews. Today we have a 2021 PT Tracer 24 DBS. Drop the layout right here for you. You can check that out. And if you didn't check out the review on the 29 BDS, I believe, check that one out. I'm gonna drop it right here. I don't know what it is. Maybe they're trying to lock you up with loyalty. Maybe they're trying to hide something. You determine for yourself. I will give you 2 flaws of mine, and that's just from me being me. I gotta let you know. You know I'm gonna sit on the couch. You know I'm gonna let you know what the bed's like, and also that bathroom. Let's get into it. Guys, no more sleeping on the job. We got an outside kitchen. We got the Domatic burner right here for you. If I can open it, I don't have any fingernails. Let's see. God. Okay, that is oh, guys, that was harder than it needed to be, but look at it. It's worth it. 2 burners, propane, quick connect underneath, has the electric stabilizers. If you haven't seen my video on those are must-haves. Check that video out. It's right above. I just dropped the thumbnail for you. It also has the RV Vision fridge, a shelf, and a plug for you on top of this thing. It is beautiful. The rims are standard on these models, and not all travel trailers come with those. Solid steps are a must. Everything is in a must, but solid steps are. I'm a bigger fella that holds every single bit of pounds I have. Right here, you got more stabilizers, the enclosed underbelly, the double axle are all things you want to have. Check out this pass-through. Beautiful. Even the details in here are beautiful. You have your little switch for the stabilizers hidden away in here. That's great. That box contains all your water hookups. Let's get around and show you. 2 propane tanks are standard. The rock guard up here is great. Let's see. Look at this. Little wash station. Battery disconnect. Everybody wants those these days. You also have your hookups out here. And all your black tank flushes in here. Amazing, man. Amazing. I'm telling you. Great. This is a Tracer again. A Tracer. PT Tracer. And like I said, there's your black and gray tank hookups. And it has no ladder for the roof access. So you cannot walk on this roof. And that is where your other stabilizer button is, which is kind of weird. But let's see. The awning. Huge, runs the whole length of this camper. Let's get inside to details. All right, we're inside. I'm going to show you the master bedroom and work our way back, and I will tell you all the things I love and all the flaws that I find from my point of view. Let me show you. Okay, master bedroom. You have the plugs. You have storage underneath. Little space right here for you. You have your 2 closets on both sides, your shelf for decoration, stack clothes, whatever you choose. That is great. No skylight in here. TV hookup, and these doors. Oh my gosh, these doors are solid. Sound proof as you can get. Solid. Black. I love that attention to detail, the black to it. Here, you have your entertainment stand. You have 2 pocket doors, both sides. You have your windows inside the master, but you have your entertainment stand right here. Looks like a 40-inch. Probably can go up to a 47. The sound bar, I have not seen these anywhere but these models. That is amazing that they're throwing that in here. Now, the storage under here is skimpy, but every little bit helps. You can put something in there. These 2 doors, when you walk in, we usually throw shoes under here, big pots or pans, and it has plenty of room and access from the other side. So you know why we choose this one. Shoes right here, you don't track the mud inside. That's great. Dinette. Um, it's nice. You get the wraparound, so you get more seating instead of just 4 people. You probably can fit 6, maybe 7. You get a chandelier up top, big privacy curtains that come down. And you know what? I gotta do it. I gotta lay down on this bad boy. I gotta let you know if a 6'6" person can lay down on this thing. Let's see. You know. Oh. Yeah, it will work. Because what you'll do is you'll take this out. You can do whatever you want with this. You probably can put this here. I'm 6'6", and I can fit on this bad boy. So this is great. This is great, man. This is what you want. Everybody can fit. Everybody can win up here. Very easy. As you saw, that's how that is done. We'll put this place back together when we're done. All right, moving on from the dinette, we make our way over to the kitchen area where that storage is very important. You have all these drawers and they are lined inside. That is awesome. Mini oven, but the details on this thing are spectacular. Tri-fold top. Also, propane ran. So that is great. And even the beauty inside this microwave of the just the detail of it. They didn't just give you a regular old standard one. That is beautiful convection oven. Now the fridge is standard size, Domatic brand. Not a lot of room, but it's not a big camper, so you don't really need a lot of room in there. Maybe you're full timing, you know, you got to be careful. But check out these oversized bunks. I'm not going to get up here, fellas or ladies, but I probably could fit up here, either on an angle. But 2 kids probably definitely could fit up here. A regular sized person probably could fit up here. And even better, you get another one. So you got your bunk, you got some storage under here for like a little bag or whatever it may be. Some people even have a little teeny pup. They take some of that space out, and that is a nice place for a little teeny gate to keep a little puppy safe and put away. The bathroom, solid doors, skylight right here in the main area. Pantry is here. So very convenient. There you go. The bathroom, I'm just going to go ahead and get right to one of the flaws. I personally cannot fit inside the shower because the floor is raised. The floor is raised and the skylight and the roof are pretty flat. So my head would be bending in there. But you could, unless you're my height. They did give you the upgraded shower head. This is stainless steel and it is beautiful. The details around here are beautiful. The shelves, even the bench to sit on or keep your products on there while you're sitting stationary are beautiful. I'm gonna try to maneuver around here. You get your little teeny sink here, but you get a shelf and a medicine cabinet, so that is great. Also, another skylight in here because you want to vent this area out. You want to keep that moisture down, and that works. The potty is right here though. There's plenty of room width-wise. So they did a great job at laying this one out. There's plenty of room width-wise and also lengthwise. So my legs can fit here. If you got to go into that position, there you go. I've seen that somewhere, like potty squatter thing. You also get a little shelf under here for some products or toilet drop-ins. A plug on the side, FCI. So you are set there, and also some more gauges to gauge how full your potty is. This is a great camper. One final flaw besides the bathroom is always the ceiling in here. This is probably 6'7". I'm 6'6", so it's got to be right there. So it's just another flaw. But I thank you guys for checking it out. This could be the one for you, not for me. So maybe you want to head on over to one of your dealerships. Look for this one, the 2021 PT Tracer 24 DBS. I had the layout for you at the beginning. Go back and check that out. Share it with a friend. But hit that subscribe button so you stay in the loop when I got more coming for you. This one is priced at about $25,000 here in Delaware. If you got some questions, comment below. Let me know, did you like it? What was your favorite thing? Was it the bunk? Was it the detail? Was it the chandelier? Who knows? I love the stabilizers. I love the steps. And I love the color scheme with the doors. I loved it. So I'll see you next time. My name's Alvin, and Max your journey.
What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing?